So guys, I got water guns here. And you know what to do first. Hit that like button and subscribe so you can start getting to million subscribers. See ya. So these are my Xbox water guns. Came from love like this. Even there's stuff there.
Let them know where you got them from.
I got them from summer.
Isn't it the dentist?
Oh yeah, the Natus. Yeah.
Why? What did they do to your teeth? Show your people.
Well, I got a cavity, 4 cavities, and they had to do something to my teeth.
They see your teeth? Go like that?
Uh.
Not like that. That's your tongue. Let me see your teeth.
So what? I'm at Salvador. Look at this. Like, look at this. Okay. You know what to do is like that.